Today's a very special day. Got another truck from South Carolina that came in today, 2024 Denali HD Ultimate. This one is nice. It's been color matched. Everything in the front end is exactly how I would do it if I had one of these trucks. I love it. White bumper caps, white mirrors, white fender flares. The steps even painted white. This truck is awesome. It's getting some American Force wheels and a SuspensionMAXX leveling kit. If you don't know about the SuspensionMAXX leveling kit, look at my last video. Just did a walk through the whole entire process of it, but this is getting the same thing. It's gonna get some 35-inch Nitto tires too, so this one will be great. Truck's gonna get 24x11 American Force Nova SS. It's a 0 offset. Doesn't stick way out of the truck, but it does have a pretty good sized lip on it, and it does come with a metal cap. Well, there you have it. Another one, 2024 GMC Denali 2500. This is the ultimate again. 24-inch American Forces with some 35-inch Nittos on a SuspensionMAXX torsion key leveling kit. In and out in one day again. If you have any questions or concerns, just call me at Southern Tire, 678-994-9180. Thanks for watching.